Welcome back. Exposition of sacred relics of St. Francis Xavier is just 3 days away and work at the church premises is still in progress. Roads and construction of other structures is still undergoing repairs. Father Alfred Vaz said internal work within the premises is satisfactory and would be ready on time. Chief Minister Parsikar is hopeful that ongoing work would be completed within 3 days.
Have a look at the preparations. Though work is on 24/7, completion of the projects in time seems difficult. Just 3 days to go for the Navenas and exposition, but work is going on at snail pace. At some areas, mending of road is incomplete and some structures are under construction. But CM Parsikar says work will be complete within next 3 days. Exposition is scheduled from 22nd November to 4th January.
प्रकारच्या सुविधा येणारे पर्यटक, येणारे भाविक, पिलग्रिम्स येतले ते हे सगळ्यांची बऱ्यापैकी व्यवस्था हांगासर इंटिरियर बरो इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर इम्प्रूव केल्लो आसा. म्हाका दिसता फर्स्ट टायम इतलो जास्त खर्च आनी इतली बरी व्यवस्था हांगा लायिल्ली आसा. सगळें 24 वरां 24/7 काम चल्लेलें आसा. फुडल्या 3 दिसान ठरलेले सगळे टप्पे सोंपतले.
Convener of Exposition Committee, Father Alfred Vaz said, internal work within the premises of the church is satisfactory.
हांगा भितरली जी तयारी आहा ती जातलीच कित्याक तेणी थारायलां तशें चल्लां काम आनी म्हाका दिसना तितली हें जायत म्हणटा म्हणटा तेन्ना म्हणटा तयार आसतली वस्तू.
What about outside infrastructure, roads and all like?
Yeah, I think the outside infrastructure they have been working on and I think they are going to meet the target. That's what the engineers have just been saying it. With what is going on here in the church premises, these are the area that we are concerned with and we are happy with that. Work has been progressing well.
Meanwhile, DYSP of Traffic Dharmesh Angle explained traffic arrangements during the exposition of sacred relics of St. Francis Xavier.
Main जो पळय दोन्ही चर्चीच्या मदी रस्तो आसा तो बंद आसतलो आनी व्हडली फेरी भरता एक्सपोजिशनाक. म्हणटकच 22 तारखेच्यान तो अरेंजमेंट आमचो स्टार्ट जातलो.
टोटल कितले पार्किंग लॉट?
टोटल पार्किंग लॉट म्हणजे पणजेच्यान येता तांकां बाकियान पार्किंग आसा. फोंडेच्यान येता तांकां पिंटो गॅरेज म्हणून जागो आसा आनी अबट फार्म म्हणून आसा थंय पार्किंग जातलें. मागीर जे पळय सावथाच्यान व्हेहिकल्स येता तांकां एला फार्मान पार्किंग आसा. तर हे 3 जाग्याचेर जे पळय पार्किंग जातलें तें मागीर KTC बसीज आमी दवरलेले आसा. थंयच्यान ते बसीचे सर्वीस एनेबल करून चर्ची कडेन वचपाक मेळटलें लोकांक.
KTC बसीस खंयच्यान दवरला ती?
ह्या पार्किंग लॉटांतल्यान हांगा व्हरपाक लोकांक चर्ची कडेन पर्यंत.
ओके, आनी वयले हायवे आनी तो सद्या जालो
ना, हायवेचो एक पार्ट तांचो कंप्लीट जाल्लो आसा. त्या पार्टांतल्यान जे पळय पणजेच्यान फोंड्या सायडीन वता ते वटेन एलाव करतले आमी आनी जे पळय ऑपोजीट सायडीन जी पळय पार्किंग आसा रस्तो आसा त्या वटेंतल्यान तो फोंडेच्यान पणजे वचपाची ट्रॅफिक आहा पळय ती ओल्ड रोडान काडटले.
Dinesh Karpe with Chetan Gawas for Prudent.
Mopa is a scam and now an issue of corruption. Fatorda MLA Vijay Sardesai made these sensational statements on Tuesday. He said the RFQ floated by the government is faulty and misleading. He said Mopa process has been done in haste to favour a prefix private developer. He has demanded the present government to clear doubts on Mopa airport project.
And सरकारान हाजेर उत्तर दिवचें, भाईक येवपाक रावचें न्ही. Therefore, the feasibility of the project is itself, it's a bankrupt project. Ideologically bankrupt. ताका विचारच करूंक शकना अशें मनशांनी हें केल्लें आहा. The whole thing is to create की बेगीन आमी प्रोजेक्ट केलो आनी ताजेर ताकतीक केल्ली आहा. It is no longer a north versus south issue. It is now an issue of corruption. Mopa continues to be a big scam. सरकार विचार करनासतना haphazard manneran एक मॅसिव पब्लीक पैशांची वेस्ट करून हो प्रोजेक्ट फुडें काडून वता आनी ताकतिकेन करता, हेस्ट करून करता. आयदर दिस इज टू बेनिफीट द प्रायवेट डेव्हलपर हू इज ऑल्सो प्रिफिक्स्ड. RFQ इज ओनली टू एसेस द मिनिमम क्वॉलिफिकेशन ऑफ द बिडर. आतां बिडर चिंतपाक लागल्या की हे सरकाराक क्वॉलिफिकेशन आहा काय म्हणून लागलो. हो एनवायरमेंट इम्पॅक्ट असेसमेंट रिपोर्ट नाच आनी हाव कॅन दे assess the environmental feasibility of a project which has no access. So the whole project itself, I think the RFQ is not only faulty, it is incomplete and it is also misleading.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.